Yes, ma'am.
I'm next, I believe Janice will run it here.
Yes, ma'am.
I was trying to just be a little more efficient.
No, thank you. Thank you for coming forward. Okay. You got 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much. I am here today against Judge Parker. I have been in his courtroom. I do not have a case in front of him. Sally Mintry did have a case in front of him, and I was with her last year here. Sally Mintry had all of her dogs stolen from her. Sally Mintry had breast cancer. When her dogs were stolen from her, she fought to get justice. Started with Ashwell, went to Parker's court. I was in there when Parker denied her any type of hearing. Sally needed that money from her dogs for her breast cancer treatment. She was given 2 years to live, but she's dead today because she didn't have the money for the treatment and for food. This is what our judges are doing to our people. They're raping us of our rights. They're raping us of our properties, as divorce lawyer Linda Grenadier Hackman is doing to me from her criminal activity. But today, Sally is dead. She stood in front of all of you a year ago and asked for your help. Asked for judges' help. Nobody helped her. Nobody listened. Nobody cared. And today, she is dead. She's not the only person that is dead today because of what our courts have done. There is a book, Bullied to Death, by Michael Volpe. Chris Mackney took his own life. Chris Mackney was bullied to death because his father-in-law was Pete Scamato. Pete Scamato killed his best friend in Texas in 1968. He didn't kill him personally. He hired Harold Sins to kill him.
Ma'am?
And he came into the...
Yes. Are you talking about Judge Parker here?
Yes, I am talking about Judge Parker. Judge Parker denied Sally Mintry justice, as he denied these other people, as what's happening throughout our judiciary. Sally Mintry is dead today because she didn't have the money. Her dogs were stolen illegally from her to empower and to line the pockets of the friends of these judges and the animal welfare in Fauquier County. She can't be a voice for herself today. One of the things when I got out of jail, I started a group called Pro Se America. Sally reached out to me for help. She didn't have money for attorneys. She paid $10,000 to an attorney who dropped it because of friendships with the judges. It didn't look good. Fauquier County is run like the city of Alexandria. It's whoever buys the judge breakfast, lunch, dinner, weekend getaway wins in court. And this court, this group of people last year, heard Sally Mintry. And I thought it important that you hear it again, because this is what's happening. Our people are committing suicide. Our people are being murdered, are dying from cancer. I can tell you're unhappy with what I'm saying, and I'm not trying to make you happy, because somebody needs to say this. Somebody needs to report it, and mainstream media is not reporting it. Nobody is telling anyone what's happening in our courts. And so somebody's got to stand up and speak out for Sally. And that's what I'm doing. And I hope you really listen hard to these other people, because what they're saying is true. And it's not easy standing here and standing up and speaking out about this. So I ask you all to really take a good look and think about Sally today and how she died of breast cancer because she didn't have the money for the food or for the treatment. She was given 2 years. She died in less than 6 months after being in front of all of you and asking